The numbers speak to the importance of our event today. Consumers should know that there are about 200 injuries each day involving fireworks during the months surrounding the 4th of July. 200 injuries each day. And as we hear from Jason, many of these injuries can be life-altering.
Just hope that somebody out there thinking about doing it, it's not worth it. You can mix the chemicals together 5 or 6 times and get away with it, and then it just takes one time. And when it goes off, it can really severely damage you. It'll change your life.
The 4th of July is such a wonderful time of year. Whether you are headed out to watch a brilliant display of fireworks at a community event or celebrating in the backyard, put safety first.